What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Tony Black. We get old gossip over here. We get straight to the point. Hey, I'm almost at 2K subs. Y'all been rocking with me and the channel, so I appreciate y'all for that. Now we're gonna get into this. Illinois State Police opens up that gunfire after a guy points the gun at them. So we finna get into it and see what's going on, what this be about. No sound on this thing, huh? So he pulling in the gas station, y'all, right now. Okay, by the trucks. Look like he probably at the truck stop. I hear the noise. Is that the suspect? Maybe the suspect. Okay, what's going on? Alright, it ain't freeze up, y'all. That truck's still moving. Oh, what's going on, y'all? With the suspect, he in the store? I don't see him pointing no weapon. Oh, he just popped up. Oh, he was blended in. He got on all black. He looks suspicious. Oh, there go the sound, y'all.
See your hands.
Yeah, he bent down.
On the ground. On the ground now.
Whoa! Whoa! Y'all see him now? He kneeled down a little bit. So he kneeled down a little bit. So you can't really see how tall he really is. He making himself seem shorter. And then it look like he going to get that strap out in a couple seconds. Hold on. What in the world going on here? Why would you do some crazy stuff like this? This doesn't make no sense, you guys. Just take the lick on it. Just take the lick on the chin like a man, man. If you done something wrong, like straight up, because this is ridiculous. What the world?
See your hands. Lay down. On the ground. On the ground now.
Oh.
Stay right there.
Oh. They popping at that cop.
Who told you you was special? You thought you was special.
And I see it.
Come secure this guy.
And I see it bouncing off the windshield too. This is wild. Somebody not gonna come out alive in this, y'all.
Get this guy right here. Hands on.
Ooh. What the hell?
See your hands.
That's
Lay
another
down.
guy.
On the ground now.
There's somebody who with him in the middle of that
Stay
gunfire.
right there.
So that's somebody who got to be with him. So what they was doing, like robbing the store, like, well, they couldn't have been robbing the store because he was pumping gas. So what is the reason for the cops pulling up on them like this? Well, he pulled the gun out on the police because he was scared. No, he pulled the gun out on the police because he a dumbass. He a jackass. He's a maniac. He ain't got no sense in his brain. He probably ain't got no brain at all in order to do some shit like this, bro. Now you could have got this guy right here hit. He probably innocent. He probably with you. But if he with you, he was in the store doing something that he ain't have no business doing. And he walked out trying to be innocent. And they peeped that real quick. Cause the police, y'all, let me tell you something, they ain't crazy. They know. They trust me. Some type of way, they put two and two together and they figure it out. Now he detained him.
Keep your hands where they're at. Come
Oh, he
secure
ain't
this guy.
detained him.
Hey, get this guy right here.
Why you gonna turn your back on the shooter? Oh, oh, oh. I would have had butterflies. I would have probably shitted on myself, you guys. I ain't lying. This is a scary scene. So many bullets flying at you. Left, right, front, back. There's north, south, east, and goddamn going west, y'all. Oh, what y'all would have did? Y'all would have just gave up at the beginning, at the very beginning when they first pulled up. Or y'all would have did some dumb shit like this.
Cuff him, cuff him. Pontiac, shots
Oh
fired.
Lord. And he didn't enter out the whole clip.
Is he moving at all?
His eyes are open.
His eyes open, y'all. His eyes is open. So is he alive? Did he get hit? If he got hit, how many times y'all think this guy got hit? All these bullets flying so many different places. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Right now.
We got multiple shots fired.
No shots fired.
Got shots fired. You got here.
Hey, get your hands out of the car!
Boy, get your ass out the car, man.
We got one's in
hell?
custody, one's in custody right now, the other one's in the car.
Yeah, he was with him. What they was doing? What they was doing?
Yep.
What they was doing, y'all? Hey, y'all let me know down in the comment section, man. What the hell these motherfuckers was down here doing, man? Huh? What they at the store doing? Why the police pulled up on them like that? Did they get a call from the store owner that these two guys were doing something wrong? Did they show the strap to the store owner? Did they threaten somebody up there? What the happened, man? Y'all let me know down in the comment section. If y'all don't know what happened, it's completely okay to be wrong. We just trying to figure it out. You know? Y'all talk to me.
You get your hands up, out of the car. Get your hands up. Hands up, hands up. We're gonna get you help. You gotta get your hands up.
You got to. Or if you don't want to
Get
die.
out of the car and we'll get you help. We can't do that until you get out and we see that you don't have your gun anymore.
Crazy guy. They ain't gonna walk up on you and get hit
No, we need to
with
see
the
you
stick.
out. We need to get you help. Pontiac 5-7, get rescue staged.
Rescue's already been paged.
Suspect still in the back seat of the vehicle. We can't see the gun. He is speaking with
Lord.
us, saying his arm's broke.
His arm ain't broke. Or is it broke? He just hit in the arm. So they had good enough aim at shooting that if they want to hit you in your arm, they're going to hit you in your arm. If they want to hit you in your leg, they're going to hit you probably in your leg. I said probably in your leg. But I said if they want to hit you in your chest, they're going to hit you in your chest. So they got good aim. They supposed to have the weapons. They supposed to have it for idiots like this. This guy who ain't got no sense, who ready to die.
Hands up in the air.
No.
Hey.
It's on his lap?
In the air. You have eyes Get on your him? hands up.
I've got his face. That's it.
Hand up. You have
He got his face.
Yes. All right, you are taking lead.
Back up there.
He said you take the lead. He trying to set him up for failure.
Got his face. That's it.
Hand up. You have eyes on him? Yes. All right, you are taking lead.
Back up there. 7-6.
He said you are taking lead. Why he didn't take the lead? Did he tell him you take lead because you're in a better position? But he could see his face. Man, listen, somebody better get behind that car and sneak up on this guy.
Commands. God, he approaches.
Commander 1-2 is bringing around.
We need to see your hands, man.
Where your hands at, boy? Just going to put them up.
Get your hands
Put them up or roll out the car so you can get help.
We're trying to get hands. One custody, one in the car shop. Halfway there from.
We want to get some help to you, but we got to see your hands. You got to get out of this vehicle so we can help you.
Coming from the east, blocked off.
Roll out
DJ
of
coming
your
from the east.
belly. Roll out
Come on, bro.
of your belly.
Out the car, bro. On your stomach, man.
To do it.
On your fucking stomach, bro.
Roll yourself out of the vehicle onto your belly right now.
On your fucking stomach, bro.
Drop whatever's in your hands right now, I'm telling you. Right now, man.
On your stomach.
Roll yourself out onto the ground back and
You don't want them to shoot some more on your stomach, Bo. Out the car, man. Come on. Do it for yourself.
roll yourself out of the vehicle onto the ground. Now, we can't help you unless you do that.
I won't put myself in no situation like this at all. And if I'm in the car with somebody who's gonna put themselves in a situation like this or try to put us in a situation like this, I'm gonna get out that car as quick as lightning, throw my hands up, and start rolling around on the ground. You hear me? So I'm gonna roll around on the ground. So when they start shooting at each other, or if they start shooting at each other, I'm gonna make sure that I'm all right. And I'm rolling around on the ground with my hands up, letting them know that I ain't got nothing or nothing to do with it. And this is crazy.
More command units are headed north. All of them.
If you sit there, you will bleed out and die. If you roll out, we can get you medical help right now. It's not worth dying.
He need to get help, man.
Let yourself out. We can help you, okay? Come on.
No, it's 6 cops
We
here.
want to help you. We want to help you.
I would have been scared as hell. No
Let
lie.
yourself out. That's all you can do right now. Then roll out and we'll help you. This is not the way to go. This is not the way to go.
And if I was out there, I would have been crawling on the ground while they out there blasting at one another. That was dangerous.
This is it. You gotta do this now. Only one choice. Roll yourself out and we'll help you.
They on the ground or something. They're trying to get him out of the car for a little minute.
I don't know for sure, but I think so.
They moving in on him, y'all.
Do not move.
Don't move.
Do not move or you will get shot. You
Play it
will
safe.
get shot. My hand's empty. My hand's empty. Cover me.
All right, y'all, they got him. Who is this clown? What do he look like? Look crazy. Now you want to scream? Now you want to cry? Now you want to holler? Shut up. All that bullshit. He's a jerk. Oh, cry, baby. Look at them holes in his shirt. That's your fault. That's your fault.
Send medical.
You want to play
Where's he bleeding from?
gangster. You want to play gangster with the police. That's your fault. Mom! It's your fault. It's not ours. That's not theirs. I'm making fun of you for doing some dumb shit like that.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut up. He sound like a fucking bitch. All that bullshit, man. That's his fault. He finna go down. Attempted. He got like years, like 25 to life, y'all. Hey, this your boy Tony Black with Ghetto Gossip, man. If y'all enjoyed this content, y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, sub, share, all the above to help this channel out. Cause all y'all gotta do is watch. Ain't nothing wrong with sitting and watching. Nothing to like. Ain't nothing to sub. It's just buttons you push. It's like texting when you comment. And I'm out. I'll get at y'all in the next video.